The best for your family, choose CELLTECH. Your health is your wealth. Professor Dr. Deby Vinski, President of the World Council of Preventive, Regenerative and Anti-Aging Medicine, shares the ultimate anti-aging therapy, which is stem cell therapy. What is stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy is a form of regenerative medicine designed to repair damaged cells within the body by reducing inflammation and modulating the immune system. This phenomenon makes stem cell therapy a viable treatment option for a variety of medical conditions. Stem cell therapies have been used to treat diabetic, cerebral palsy, autoimmune diseases, orthopedic conditions, and traumatic injuries, with studies conducted on use for Crohn's disease, multiple sclerosis, lupus, COPD, dementia, Parkinson's, cancer, and more. And stem cells also for men vitality and female rejuvenation. While stem cell therapy does not necessarily provide a cure for these conditions, the premise is to allow the body to heal itself well enough to mitigate the symptoms of the requirements for long periods. In many cases, this effect can substantially increase the quality of life for patients. CELLTECH International Stem Cell Center at Vinski Tower, Jakarta, Indonesia. Vinski Tower is a 10th-floor luxury building with a helipad facility at the top. CELLTECH uses the newest technology, which is quantum stem cell and closed system, which is only a few in the world and will give optimum results in the quality and quantity of the stem cell. You also can keep your stem cell at our bank stem cell for 21 years and can be used anytime when you need it. All patients will enjoy the therapy in our presidential suite at Quantum Priority Floor, and the family can enjoy the penthouse with beautiful orchid and bougainville garden located within our Vinski Tower, Jakarta, Indonesia. Patients are under constant supervision from both our medical director and the supporting medical team. We will administer over 300 million cells that are all thoroughly tested for viability before treatment. These cells are exceptionally safe. Patients will be able to travel the following day. We are looking forward to welcoming you at CELLTECH International at Vinski Tower, Jakarta. Call now for a free consultation.